What's up everyone? Today I will be reviewing the 180 round AK Midcap by MagKing. So what I really enjoy about this magazine is its attention to detail. It's modeled after the real steel AK PMag, and the texture feels just like the real thing. Here's the real steel in comparison. I gotta say, it looks pretty damn good. The polymer on this magazine is pretty sturdy. I've already dropped it a couple of times and I've experienced no feeding issues thus far. So the follower in this magazine actually does come out, and this helps more BBs feed into the gun versus magazines with a traditional follower. If you're a fan of the PMag, then I definitely recommend this magazine for you. It's affordable, it's sturdy, and it feeds nearly every BB that it holds. Alright, but enough of me talking, and let's move on to the shooting test. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, wear your eye pro, call your hits, and I will see you in the next video.